Good afternoon, Mona. Present here. Today, discuss about the basic civil engineering topic. Everybody knows it is the important factor, right? So the before going to the concept, I myself, Samson, Professor College of Technology in the Department of Electronics Engineering. Before going to the lathe, we should understand what is the manufacturing process. So when I said it is the process which involves the conversion of raw materials into a desired product, everybody knows how to convert the materials. So normally the method involves the material removal, assembly or joining process or finishing. This is how the method has been in desired product by using the conversion of raw materials. So when I say that manufacturing, and it always comes under the material removal operations. So what is the material removal operations? So normally you have to remove the material from the basic material, which is the removal of extra material from the given material to obtain the required of dimension of the product. So for small scale fitting, craft can be used for large scale industrial projects. So what do you mean by tool? The next question, right? The tool is carry out the various manufacturing operations such as hand tools, machine tools, hand tools like scripture of the scripture basic thorns and machine tools are used to get the removal of the materials subject to their harness. So the hand tools done by using manifolds like files, hacksaws, and several things. While machine tools as a power-driven machine which accomplish the cutting operations or machine operations. So here comes the lathe. What is the consideration? Lathe is a machine tool employed generally to produce circular objects, especially the operations like drilling, placing, grinding, turning, shaping, milling, and drilling can be done using it. So the normal the lathe to identify the development of new products. So the classification of lathe is normally different into 6 categories. First one is center lathe or engine lathe. Second one is spring lathe, turret lathe, caps, automatic lathe. Finally, the CNC lathe, the computer numerical control lathe. So I'm just going to the center lathe. The basic principle of center lathe is how it has been worked. The cutting tool can be removed chips by rotating workpiece to produce in circular objects. So this is the generalist the headstock and chuck, driving box and feed box, driving clutch and control, and when the proposition of a ram clamp ram, and another one important is tool. The tool post which carries the tools based upon the cross lights, and the two rollers has been given, one for depth of cut, another one for its rate. So everything is comes under bit, and the carriage is to move the entire tool post, and the screw rod is to move the tool post, and the feed is also there. So as I say, check figure shows the holding and rotating at a high speed. A V-shaped cutting tool is held at the workpiece. When the tool is moved parallel to the axis of the workpiece, the material has been removed. The round surface has been done by various methods. So the major components of the, as I said, the major components are bed, headstock, and saddle. As I said, the bed, it is the foundation of part of lathe and supports its all parts. The top of the bed has, which guides the machine to precision, where the headstock is the main spindle process out from the headstocks, which holds the compresses of feed gearbox and cone pulley. And it is normally rigid under the mounted bed. A saddle is important in the X-rise shaped casting that slides over the outer set of the guideways, serves as the base for crossways, and the compound rest the mounted at the top of the crossline and suppose the tool place it can be moved, especially it is used for taper turning. And the tool post is just clamping of tool holder position where the entire tool has been carried out their positions. And the apron is fitted in the saddle facing operator. It hoses, levers, hand wheels, mechanism for manual and automatic movement of. Yeah. And the main drive is the electrical motor, which is used to spindle the transmission systems. And the lead screw. It is lungs of the lathe bit, and the rotation of lead screw moves the carriage to and fro longitudinally during the thread cutting operations. And at the lathe specification, maximum diameter of workpiece can be revolved over the lathe bit. Maximum diameter and width of the workpiece can be revolved over the gap in distance has been placed a white, and they mount in the two centers. Overall, the length of the bed is high. So as I said, there is a several operations can be. One is the turning operation, which is used to reduce the diameter of the workpiece, rounded workpiece. Especially for cylindrical, the operation carried out a single point continuous. The two centers workpiece. where the tool is perpendicular to the axis of the workpiece as known depth and move parallel of the work tool. The sizing, it is normally used on the general surface. The direction of is perpendicular to the axis of the lathe, which means it reduces the length of the workpiece, which is extend more than 1 time of the diameter of the workpiece. And knurling, and this type things happen to hold the workpiece, where the hold has been taken by using generating the serrate surfaces. It has been obtained by achieving both low speed 60 to 80 rpm and the feed rate is 0.3 to 0.78 minimum per revolution. And taper turning, it is to the cross angle cutting of as I said, the alpha is equal to tan inverse of d minus d by 2l. This is how it has been done. And that thread cutting in a helical shaped groove forming a cylindrical surface of a body. The thread is to operating performing lathe to produce threads by tooling. Holes waste space will be as that of thread. And drilling to make a hole. This where it is drilling has been tool has been held at the tailstock as a station in the is held in the check. The tool is fed against the rolling workpiece by rotating hand. This is how the various operation has been taken in condition. I think everyone has understood something basics of an basis of a lathe, which is used for machining the workpiece. So thank you for the video, and hope I have seen in another session. And thank you. Bye bye.